Welcome to this guide on setting up IPTV, designed to simplify your streaming experience. First, select a reliable IPTV provider. We recommend 2TV.store for guaranteed quality service. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. This is crucial for seamless streaming. Now download the IPTV app compatible with your device type, like smart TVs or apps. Open the app and navigate to the settings menu to input server details from your provider. Enter the server URL and login credentials provided by 2TV.store accurately and carefully. Save the configuration and restart the app, which enables your new IPTV channels. Explore your new channel lineup, including international and local favorites, for endless entertainment. Our tip: adjust streaming quality settings based on your internet speed for optimal viewing. Discover exclusive content through 2TV.store's awesome offerings you might not find elsewhere. Let us know your favorite channels and share your experience in the comments section below. For more great deals and the best IPTV service, visit 2TV.store today. We appreciate you taking the time to watch, and we hope this guide helps you immensely. If you found this video useful, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more invaluable tips on tech and IPTV right here on our channel. Until next time, enjoy your newfound IPTV setup and experience the future of television.